My first question is, the 2000 Udang case was decided by the 3rd Division, correct?
Well,
Yes or no
actually,
only?
I'm not familiar if it's the 3rd Division. I'm not quite sure.
Walang iya ka. Ipinresent mo. Hindi mo alam kung ano yung present mo. Tinanong siya. So, ito bang sinabi mong, sinight mong mga kaso, ito ba yung decided by the 3rd Division? Hindi ko alam. Sabi niya. Hindi ko alam kung 3rd Division ba yan. Basta ang alam ko, isa sa subdivision yan. Nandoon yan sa loob ng subdivision. Kung hindi ko na alam. Pero ipinresent mo yan. May nail in the coffin ka pa. Hindi mo alam sinong division ang nag-decide niyan. Ng tinapay tapos na laban. Ikaw nagpasok niyan sa usapan, hindi mo alam? Anak ng tinapay kakabutas. Anong ginawa mo sa sarili mo? O tiyan, sarap-sarap kasi mag-YouTube na lang eh. Nagmamatalino ka masyado. Unang tanong pa lang, tapos na laban. In the case of Udang and Undin, this is what happened. Kaina, hindi mo nasagot? Ikaw nagpasok ng usapan eh. Hindi mo nasagot? Anak ng tinapay kabutas. Sana tumae ka na lang, tapos kinain mo. Walang hiya ka. Ito, idol niyo yan. Tapos na laban.
Okay, let me proceed to my next question. Okay. You are not aware that the 2019 Tulagan case was decided by the Supreme Court and Are you aware of that?
Sorry?
Sorry? Anong sorry? Nagkamali ka?
Okay, let me proceed to my next question. Okay. You are not aware that the 2019 Tulagan case was decided by the Supreme Court and Are you aware of that?
Sorry?
Are you aware that the 2019 Tulagan case was decided by the Supreme Court and
Well,
you're not aware?
Yes.
Just say.
Sino galing ka? Sabi mo kanina, sorry. Ngayon, yes na sagot mo ha. Please naman talaga oh. Tinatanong siya. Sabi niya, sorry? Yes? Akala niya nanguhula siya kung ano yung sagot tama. Yes or no ba? Abnormal ang puta.
You're aware. Okay.
Yeah.
I want to inform you, Panero, that the 2018 Udang case was decided only by a division, the 3rd Division. Now, of course, as a lawyer, you are aware that a decision rendered by a division can be modified or reversed by a decision rendered en banc, correct?
Yes.
Ba't yung yes mo patanong? Pwedeng no na lang. Tragis ka kabutas. Nagtatanong siya sa'yo, tatanungin mo siya kung yes. Pwede bang yes? No! Yes! Ganun lang. Parang ano yun eh, tinatawag ka, Libayan! Yes! Aral eh, yung sinasabi ko eh. Mamatalino, tas di marunong. Tiya talaga naman oh.
Yes or no only. A very categorical question.
He answered yes, sir.
Do you also agree that the pronouncement in Udang was just taken verbatim from the decision in Malto?
Yes.
Yes.
And with respect to the new case that you brought up, was that decided by a division or decided en banc?
Why is that material?
Di mo alam no? Di mo alam. Sabi ko sa iyo eh, ako lang tinatanong ka nga eh. Kung alam mo yung sagot, eh hindi mo alam yung sagot, kaya ang tanong mo, what is the relevance? Tragis, ano may judge ba sa harap? Hindi niyang korte, debate to, debate.
Let me check.
Do not ask me, I'm asking you.
Wag mo siyang tanungin pag tinatanong ka niya. Alam mo ganyan yan eh, yung mga sinungaling ganyan. Utang inalibayan, wala ka ng lusot dito. Animal talaga naman oh.
Well, I did not actually see if it is decided by a division or en banc.
Bas noon, hindi mo alam? Utangin na, sino nag-research para sa'yo? Saan ka nagpagawa ng thesis mo? Anak ng tinapay ka. Muna mo pa kasing ayusin yung buhok mo kaysa mag-aral eh.
Okay, so you are also aware that even with that new decision, assuming it is decided by a division, you are aware that a decision rendered en banc cannot be modified or reversed by a decision rendered only by a division, correct?
Can you come again?
Sabi mo, yes. Puta, hindi ka nakikinig, alam mo. O kaya hindi niya narinig. Maliwanag naman. Ako nga narinig ko eh. Hindi ko lang naintindihan, pero narinig ko. Puta libayan, kaya hindi mo narinig yung sinasabi ni EJ, ni Fiscal EJ. Puta, lumilipad yung utak mo. Dapat nakipag-debate na lang ako sa taong grasa. Punye, mas pay attention, abogado ka. May tinatanong sa'yo, sasabi mo, ulitin mo nga. Libayan, hindi ka nakikinig kasi lumilipad yung utak ko. Binasa ko lang yung kanina, hindi ko naman siya dinibdib eh. Tayo na, mabibisto ko nito. Puta, bistado ka, libayan, butas yung brief mo.
Are you aware that a decision rendered en banc cannot be modified or reversed by a decision rendered only by a division? You're not aware of that, Panyero?
Puta, napakamot sa muka. Puta, ina, napakamot sa muka. Ganito yung kaklase kong walang alam. Puta, lahat ng kasulok-sulukan kakamutin yan. O, sige, pinaulit mo na yung tanong. Puta, nung inulit yung tanong, anong ginawa mo? Kinamot mo yung balbas mo. Pucha, pwede ka na magkodigo dyan, wala ka pang naisagot. Animal naman talaga.
A decision by a division can be modified by a decision of the Supreme Court.
Alam mo, mabait ang Diyos talaga.
Okay, let me repeat. There is a decision en banc.
Puta, nahilo para sumakay sa tubibo si Libayan. Talibayan, alam mo sana ginawa mo, kunyari nahimatay ka. Bigla ka natumbang ganun, puta, tapos yung debate na yan. Kung ganun ang ginawa mong style. Tapos ang debate dyan, maniwala ka. Pinilit mo, niraos mo eh. Kung ako sa'yo, parang halimbawa,
Be reversed or modified by a decision rendered only by a division. Do you agree to that statement? Okay. Now, off to another topic.
yan yun lang sagot mo, of course. Iulit-ulit po 3 beses, of course.
Do you believe, Panyero, that before an accused can be convicted of sexual abuse under Section 5B of RA 7610, the prosecution must first prove that the child was subjected to the coercion or influence of an adult syndicate or group, correct?
As an element of the crime?
So if there was no coercion or influence of an adult syndicate or group, there would be no violation.
Yes.
The consent of the child would be material because since there was no coercion or influence coming from an adult, then she could validly give consent to such sexual act, correct?
Well, I have to disagree with that one. I cited several cases already.
Let me proceed to my next question. Of course, it is your stand that the age of sexual consent is always 18, correct? In fact, you even said that there is a Supreme Court decision that states that the age of sexual consent was never 12 and that it was always 18, correct?
Sorry, was that part of my presentation?
You're talking about sexual consent, Panyero. This is in relation to your...
Puta, tinanong niya, kasama ba sa presentation ko yan? Sabi nito, isa, oo, tangi. Magtatanong ba ako rito kung wala akong tanong doon sa presentation mong gunggong? Alam mo, sana kabutas, tinawagan mo kasi ito si Fiscal EJ. Fiscal EJ, wala namang masyadong kwentuhan lang tayo ron. Walang awayan.
Claim that the age of sexual consent is 18. So, this is very material.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what is that SC decision that you claim that the age of sexual consent was always 18?
Was 18 is the Udang case and the Malto case.
In the 22-minute and 8-second mark of your live stream on March 7, 2022, you said, and I quote, meron tayong video na ganun eh. Balikan nyo yun. May sinite ako na batas doon na sinabi ng Supreme Court na it was never 12 and it was always 18. Is that
Sige, kabutas, kamuti mo yung ilong mo, baka lumabas yung talino mo dyan. Kapag ganun mo yung ilong mo, lumabas sa kulangot mo yung sagot. Tinapay ka, kabutas. Para ka kasi, ginawa mo sa sarili mo yan. Ikaw may gusto niyan. Hamon-hamon ka ng debate, ayan. Oo, mag-YouTube na lang tayo, pasayahin natin yung mga followers natin. Puta, debate ka pa ng debate. Ayan tuloy nangyari sa'yo.
referring to the Udang case, Panyero?
Well,
Supreme Court?
I think that's not part of this debate already because that's my live stream.
It's not for you to judge, Panyero.
Talaga. So yung live stream mo, hindi na part nito. Puta, yung mga sinasabi mo doon, ibig sabihin peke. Kasi ayaw mong gamitin dito yung mga pinagsasabi mo doon, tama? Puta, di binubudol mo yung mga followers mo. Doon mo nila live stream yung age of sexual consent, 18, di ba? Sa live stream mo nagsimula, doon ka rin nagsimulang hamon ng debate. Puta, ayan na yung debate. O ngayon, wag mong idamay yung live stream mo. Puta, yan sinasabi ko sa iyo, yung law firm mo kasi sa YouTube.
I'm asking, you are under cross. This is actually related to your claim that the age of sexual consent is 18.
Yes, it's
Okay.
It's 18. But when it comes to like Supreme Court decisions saying in verbatim that 12, it was never 12 and it is 18, it's not a direct quote when I said that in the live stream. And I didn't say that here. In fact, what I said here was what they said and not what the Supreme Court said.
It was you
That's
who
why I
claimed-
also
There was-
showed you. I
Okay.
also showed you clips and search result.
Let me just proceed to my next question, Panyero. Now,
Okay.
the general rule is 18, the exception is 16. What is your basis for saying that?
I did not say the exception is 16. I did not say the exception is there can be exception. Just like what they said in the Tulagan case. I think you must misunderstood what I said. I didn't say 16 is the exception. There can be exception, like what they did in the Tulagan case.
By the way, is it your stand that the legal age of 18 is also the age of sexual consent?
Well, that's what I'm trying to prove here.
Okay.
18 is the age of sexual consent.
Okay. Let me proceed to my next question. In relation to your claim that
Tama ka naman na piskal. Oh, Diyos mio, ayan, libayan, RIP. Palakpakan, nandito na po si Banatbay, mga kaibigan. At siya po ay nakikiramay ngayong gabi. Walang hiya, Banatbay, nakita mo ba? Kaya ako nagbarong para pag nireaksyonan ko itong pang 40 days ni Libayan, magbibilang tayo mula ngayon hanggang bukas. So first day na ngayon, bukas, second day hanggang 40 days. So ito, kaya ako nakabarong ngayon dahil gusto ko pag nireaksyonan ko to, hindi man ako abogado, mukha akong abogado. Yung aking attache case, inilapag ko na dyan. Saka yung mga ninota. Ayan sige, tuloy natin tong katarantaduhan ni Libayan. Kung pucha, matindi to. Banatbay, promise reaksyonan mo to. Meron pa siyang nail in the coffin. Naku, ayan na, sa channel ni Libayan. Kami po ay nakikiramay sa channel ni Libayan. Napakabait talaga ng Diyos, mga kababayan. Naniniwala tayo na yung minsan, yung mga mababait na tao kinukuha niya. Pero this time, kumuha siya ng isang masama.
Well, that's what I'm trying to prove here.
Okay.
18 is the age of sexual consent.
Okay. Let me proceed to my next question. In relation to your claim that 18, the legal age, is also the age of sexual consent, what is your basis for saying that 18 as the legal age is also the age of sexual consent? Can you cite?
Nakakatawa, sabi ni Brian. 3-0, hayop, kahit isa wala man sumang-ayon sa kanya. Ito matindi. Sabi niya ngayon sa live niya, hindi daw kasi formal. Yung yun daw debate, hindi formal at saka mali daw. Mali daw yung tatlong judge. Panoorin mo yung live niya ngayon. Nagdidilaan sila ng mga sugat doon. Sabi ko nga, Banatbay, kahit isa man lang sana yung kumampi sa kanya na awa man lang sana. Wala ang hirap kampihan, Banatbay, pag tanga. Mabuhay ka. Kaabuloy ako sa channel ni Libay. Huwag ka na magsayang, baka makuha yun ng mga kamag-anak niya. Nag-aaway-aaway na sila ngayon sa kayamanan niya. Nag-aaway-aaway na sila. Kanino makukunta yung mic? Kanino mapupunta yung mga gitara? Kutya, hindi pa yata siya nakasulat ng Last Will Testament?
Particular law that says.
No, well, I did not say that the legal age. You are conflating both of them.
You just admitted a while ago. Panyero. You cannot deny that now.
Well, okay.
Puta, umamin ka tas hindi mo alam na umamin ka. Animal ka, Libayan. Umuwi ka na sa bumalik ka na sa pinanggalingan mo. Kaya na sinasabi ko sa iyo kapag nag-practice ka ng law sa YouTube, hindi ka nag-practice ng law sa korte, pucha ganyan, school bukol ang kalalabasan mo.